Hello students, now let us try to understand the van der Waals gas equation. What is meaning of van der Waals gas equation, means students? Let us read out the slides. The gases deviate from the ideal nature due to intermolecular attraction. Okay, due to intermolecular attraction, they deviate. Second point, finite cyanide of gas molecule. Okay, which occupy a certain volume. So earlier in the kinetic gas equation, we have understand that there is no force of attraction between the gaseous molecule, and the volume of gas molecule is negligible as compared to the total volume or volume of the cylinder. But what the condition is there? Okay, let us see. The graph drawn between P and PV for the ideal gas and real gases are shown. So real gases are like that, and this is the ideal gases straight line. This is ideal gas, and these are the for the real gases. These are the real gases. Okay, now you see why this graph is like the graph drawn between P and PV for the gas like hydrogen and helium show only positive deviation with increase in pressure. They all are showing positive deviation. The graph drawn between and for the gas, the graph drawn between and for the gas like methane, carbon monoxide shown first negative deviation and then the positive deviation with increase in pressure. Generally, at any temperature with increase in a pressure, the PV value first decreases, reaches a minimum value and then increases. The van der Waals gas equation is applicable only to the real gases. Now, why this is happening? Let us understand this one. Correction for the force of attraction. Okay, the pressure of gas is double due to the force with which its molecule collides with the wall of the container. Okay, since the intermolecular attraction cannot be neglected at low temperature and high pressure, the molecule that strike the wall experience some backward drag due to the inward pull of the adjacent molecule as shown in figure 5.30. As a result, the molecules strike the wall with a small force because of the inward pull. Consequently, the pressure that will be observed is relatively smaller than the pressure if we were no attractive forces. In other words, the observed pressure is smaller than the ideal pressure Pi. Thus, in order to get the ideal pressure Pi, a correction terms has to be added to the observed pressure. Okay, so this is the they have shown that is it is inward pulling. Now next one they are saying okay, for a molecule striking the wall experience inward pull, let the correction terms to be P. So ideal pressure Pi is equal to P plus P. The van der Waals gas equation for n moles gas is P plus An square B square minus no, in another bracket V minus NB nRT. A, B are the van der Waals constants. The van der Waals gas equation for 1 mole of gas P is equal to A by B square B minus B RT. PB is equal to RT plus PB AB upon B square minus A by B. In van der Waals gas equation, there is a correction in the pressure and volume compared with the ideal gas equation PB is equal to nRT. In van der Waals gas equation, there is a correction in pressure and volume compared with the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. In van der Waals gas equation, correction in pressure is due to the intermolecular attraction, and the correction is volume is due to the actual volume occupied by the gas molecule. In real gases, the reduction in pressure due to the intermolecular force of attraction is proportional to n square n upon v whole square n upon v whole square. So reduction in pressure is equal to an square v square. So P real is P ideal minus an square v square. Even though the molecule are very small in size, they occupy some space. So the actual volume available for the free movement of molecule in real gas is V minus NB. So V real is equal to V ideal minus NB. The term B in van der Waals gas equation is called co-volume. or vibratory volume or excluded volume. Okay, so this was all about the van der Waals gas equation. We will study in detail during the lectures. Thank you so much for watching, friends.